Hi, welcome to Math 87, Lesson 121. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing similar triangles. Now, we often use tick marks to indicate that a measure of angles are equal. In these figures, the single tick mark indicates that the angle A and Z have equal measures. The double tick mark indicates that the angle B and Y have equal measures. If three angles in one triangle have the same measure as three angles in another triangle, the triangles are called similar triangles. Similar triangles look alike. These triangles are not the same size, but they have the same shape because the angles have the same measures in both triangles. These triangles are similar triangles. If an angle in one triangle has the same measure as an angle in a similar triangle, the angles are called corresponding angles. The sides opposite corresponding angles are called corresponding sides. Looking at these two triangles, let's list the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. We'll start with the angles. If we look, angle N corresponds to angle T. Angle M corresponds to angle R. Angle L corresponds to angle S. Now, corresponding sides, N, M, corresponds to side TR. NL corresponds to side TS. And LM corresponds to SR. The length of corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional. This means that the ratios formed by corresponding sides are equal. Every side in triangle A over here is twice the length of a side in triangle B. If we write ratios of corresponding sides and put the sides for triangle A on top, we get 6, 3, 10, 5, and 8, 4. Now, each of these ratios equals 2. So, if you see, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Each one of those equals 2. Now, if we switch them so that we put side B on top, we would have 3 sixths, 5 tenths, and 4 eighths. And if you notice, each one of these equals 1/2. Sorry. So now if we write the equal ratio of the corresponding sides for these triangles, the angles are equal. So the triangles are similar. Now we can decide to write the lengths of the sides of the left on the top. So we would write AY equals BX equals CZ. So knowing this, let's look at these two triangles. We can find the length of side A because we see that these triangles are similar. So we take what we know and write proportions, 6, 10. We have the proportion 6, 10, and we would have the proportion 3, 3A. Now, because these are similar triangles, these are equal. All proportions in the similar triangle are equal. Now we can just go ahead and solve. We simply cross multiply and we get 6A equals 30. Divide both sides by 6 and we see that side A equals 5. There are some practice problems that you can go ahead and practice. I will put the answers to the practice problems in Canvas for you.